This is your macroeconomics video for the time value of money. So we learned in the fall that you can adjust money according to inflation because as inflation occurs, the money that we have will have less purchasing power. So it's better to have $100 today than it would be to have $100 a year from now when prices are higher. And we also know this because nominal minus inflation is real. We learned how to adjust prices over time by taking the old price in some previous older year and multiplying that by the newer CPI over the older CPI. And that will convert the price into what would be the purchasing power of today's money. We're going to add something new to this. It's for adjusting the value of money over time. It's also referred to as present value, future value. So this equation here, PV is present value. So how much money do you have today equals the future value of your money divided by 1 plus the interest rate. And the nth power is going to be how many years the interest is compounded. So for example, if you take, let's say $100 today, and you want to know what the future value of that money is, let's say that you put it into an account that's earning 3% a year. After 1 year, you will have $103 of future money. You can also use this equation to solve backwards. So if you want in the future to, let's say, have $100 and you know the interest rate over the next year will be 3%, how much do you have to invest in present terms to be at that future value? A lot of people use that for retirement. So here's an example of an AP question. If the annual interest rate is 5%, then the present value of $1, which would be received a year from now, is closest to which answer? Pause the video and try it. All right, well, hopefully you noticed that in this one, the question is asking you the present value of $1, which is received a year from now. So the answer here is D, 95 cents. Because a dollar that's given to you a year from now is going to be the future value. And you're solving here for the present value, which has to be less than $1 if the interest rate is going to earn you 5% over the next year.